proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to back up an APK file and its data from an Android phone using ADB. So the first thing you need to know is that not all apps will support backup using ADB. Some developers actually disable the feature from their application, especially if the application collects sensitive data. Applications such as Facebook, WhatsApp, they don't accept this. So before we begin, you need to install ADB and Fastboot on your PC. Enable USB debugging on your phone. Then finally, check for the package name of the app you wish to back up. All these have a tutorial at the forum. You can check it out. So first thing we need to do now is to connect the Android phone to the PC. Okay, so we'll launch ADB. To launch ADB, hold Shift key, then right click on any empty space, open PowerShell window or open command prompt, whichever one you see. So this is my ADB window. Now to back up an APK file, so I've drafted out the package name of some of the apps I have. So to back up an APK file plus the data, this is the code we will use. Now we need to also include the package name of the app we are trying to back up. So I'm going to use explore. This is the package name. So this is the command to back up an APK plus the data. apk.backup. This is the file name we want to use to store the backup file. Click enter. Now you get the confirmation to unlock your device and confirm the backup operation. So I'll click backup my data. You see it will write backup starting. And once backup is finished, it will also indicate backup finished. So we can confirm our backup. This is the file apk.backup. So here let's actually try and uninstall the app to confirm that this actually worked. Okay. So when I opened it, it opened App Manager. So I've uninstalled Explore. Now let's try and restore the app back along with the data. So to restore, we will type ADB restore and the file name for the backup, which is app.backup. Then click enter. You will get the same prompt to confirm restore data. So once restore is finished, you will get the prompt restore finished on your phone. You can now disconnect the phone. Now let's check if, okay, there it is. Explore has been restored back. You can see it opened exactly where it was when I last opened it. So that means backup was successful. So if you want to backup just the data only without the APK file, this is the command. You notice that this command is different from the last one because it has no -apk. This -apk includes the APK file. So I'm saving this as apps.backup. Now click enter. Confirm the backup. So backup is finished. Now you can see the sizes. This one contains the APK file. This contains only the data. Now what if you want to backup two different applications? The command is still the same thing. You will just place the package names one after the other. So it will look something like this. Package name for the first one and package name for the second. So to confirm if an APK file will allow backup, this is the command we will use. So let's check if link to SD will allow for backup. To do this, you must use ADB plus grep. You can check for this at the forum. It's still under this folder here, ADB plus grep. So here, it shows us the command that flags allow backup. So that means link to SD will allow for backup operations. Now let's check, what if an app doesn't have the allow backup flag? What will happen? So I have mega app on WhatsApp. So let's check this. Okay, so I'll use the same command, but I'll change the package name for link to SD to that of WhatsApp. You see, it didn't give us any information. That means WhatsApp doesn't allow for backup. Let's try the same thing, but this time around for mega app. Mega app doesn't also allow for backup. So what will happen if we try to back up this app plus its data? Now let's try it. So I'm trying to back up an app that doesn't allow for backup. Let me copy the code out. Okay, I want to save this as mega app.backup. Okay, so I paste the command. To paste on PowerShell, just right click. It says unlock to confirm backup operation. So it says backup finished, but here we have mega app.backup. It's only 1 KB, which means it was not able to back up the app. So that's it for how to back up APK files plus their data. These are the commands mostly used. This command is used to back up all user data apps, excluding system apps.